everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and this beautiful piece of wood that I'm holding right here is a floating shelf from DAKODA Love. This is their 36-inch by 10-inch floating shelf, and it is their butcher block edition. So it is made of a bunch of different wood pieces, and because of that, I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at all these different shades of wood and grain. So it's about 1.3 inches thick. So this is a very solid piece of wood right here. These shelves are handcrafted and you can see the quality. Look at the seams, all the edges, everything about this shelf is absolutely beautiful. And they even have a metal mounting bracket already built in. And I have mounted it and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. And because the shelves are pretty heavy, what we did was use painter's tape to measure and use that as a template on the walls to play around with the positioning. So I recommend doing that. If this is properly mounted, this shelf can hold up to 50 or 100 pounds. So the bracket is already up. I'm just gonna go ahead and slip the metal into these holes. Very easy. Okay, it requires a tiny bit of force, but everything you need is included in this kit. So go for it. Ta-da! You can't go wrong with these. The quality is impeccable, and that's my point of view.